Supercar, hypercar, however you decide to address this, there's no getting away from the simple fact that this is one of the greatest cars made to date. The P1 you see in this video was built back in 2013, so in technological terms is no spring chicken. But that 4-year period has done nothing to diminish its standing in the world of ultimate road cars. The amount of trim covering within the cabin has been minimised, leaving as many parts as exposed as possible, and there is no interior sound deadening in order to optimise weight saving even further. Carpet is offered as an option, but when chosen it is fitted with a special lightweight backing. One surprising feature is that the car can also be driven solely in electric mode. In city driving, with an average speed of 30 miles an hour, this could mean up to a 20-kilometre range, and that's more than enough for an owner to enter, for example, a city centre zero emission zone, have dinner and return home. Alas, the final chapter in the production of the McLaren P1 has now been written, as the 375th and final example was completed in 2015, bringing the curtain down on one of the most technologically advanced and dynamically accomplished cars ever made.